Hey cutie mochis, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're just gonna, it's part 2, so yeah, let's begin. Okay, let's put it over here. I can make soup. Okay, Oh, what's that sound? Oh, somebody's crying. Oh, hi. Oh no, it's gonna rain. Don't cry, baby. Come on. Why are you crying? You're hungry? Okay, I'll just give you some milk. My gosh. I need some spoon. Where's the spoon? Where's the spoon? Oh, there. Oh no, it's raining above. Ignore for the rain. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make it. Okay. Now I need some this hot. I'm gonna shake it. Shake it. There. Is it done? Oh my god, it's too hot. I'm gonna shake it. Okay, it's right. Here, baby, Andre. No, Andre. No, Andre. Ah, bear is baby. You're done? Yeah. Okay, you're done. Just gonna put it right in place. Oh no, the soup is ready. Okay. Oh, hot. Oh, this is unacceptable. It's too hot. There. Okay, I'm just coming. Here is it. I'll put this knife in here. Kids, calm down. Its soup is ready. Can we go outside and play? No, it's raining. Oh my gosh. The viewers can. Guys, can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? Oh no. Yeah, no, it's raining. Yeah, it's raining. It's raining. It's pouring, and Bartleby is falling. Who's Bartleby? Yeah, I'm just copying Trent Bartleby. That's kind of cartoon. Oh my gosh. Hey. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me? Oh no. Let me just go poop. Okay, let's do it. Oh no, it's burning. Oh no. What should we do? Oh no, mommy. Okay, it's kind of low. Okay. Oh no, mommy. Oh my god, it burned. I'm just gonna throw it away. I don't know how to do it. Mommy, what? Mom, what is it? Victoria? I'm hungry already. Can you just make me some food? Us too? Okay, fine. Oh my gosh, it's almost burned. Just gonna put it. Oh no, hot. It's too hot. Mommy, set the table. Okay. Oh my god, this is so unacceptable. I'm just gonna cook more. Okay, I'm just gonna cook some vegetable, okay? Make sure do not even think about it. Oh no, it's burning! Oh my, OMG! It's power cut! Oh no, every light is turned off. Oh no, it's a power cut. Oh no. Oh no. Mommy, I'm scared. I'm scared. Don't be scared. Oh no. The stove won't work. Oh no. It won't work. Oh gosh. Here I go. There's no food left. No, you cannot even cook. Broccoli for you. There's only vegetable in this house. Oh my god. Hey, this is too disgusting. It's not disgusting, Crystal. Okay, just eat over there. Okay. Let's just go. Yum yum. Yum yum. Yum yum. Yummy, those yummy. Oh no. Okay. Oh my gosh. My back really hurt. Ugh. This is the robbery. Come on. Oh no. Please, please, no, 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 no. Now. Give me your food. No, no. Stop right there. Oh, Liam, what are you doing here, honey? I was finding this robber and he robbed our house. What? This is your house? Oh my gosh, brother, is that you? Wait a moment, are you Liam? Oh my gosh. Bad, I'm not even in the mood anymore. Ha ha ha. You're under arrest, brother. Oh no. He's crying, baby. We're gonna be copyrighted. Oh gosh. Stop lying, Crystal. Oh my gosh. Well, this is, oh my gosh. Well, this is it for today. Mommy, what's wrong with the light? Oh my gosh. Well, this is it for today. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit notification. See you next time. I'm scared. We're scared. We're squealed. Don't cry. Hit notification. See you next time. Bye. Oh my gosh, the rain is annoying. Oh my god.